What's up, everyone? So today I'm going to be replacing the headlights in our 2006 Honda Odyssey van. I'm going to be using the Philips. Looks like they're 9006. They're supposed to be the extreme vision, so a little bit brighter than normal, but still in the standard yellow color. They're at 3400K. While I like the brighter lights, I think that they're nice. I hate driving against them, so if I do not like driving against the ultra bright blue lights, I don't want anyone else to have to drive against me doing the same thing. So let's get started. I'm going to be replacing both lights. However, this is the light that's currently burned out. I think they just shut off, but take my word for it, this is the one that's burned out. I'm going to come around to the back. I'll show you what we're going to be doing. What we're going to do is we're going to come through the bottom and remove this clip. I like to go underneath this support beam right here. So I'm going through, I'm going to push, release. That disconnects the light. And you're going to twist and pull it out. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the connector end and we're going to put it facing the passenger side of the vehicle out, and then lock it into place facing down. You see there's a little space for the attachments. Now it's locked into place. And we're connected. Let's check and see if it works. Now we're going to go ahead and do the other light. I like to replace my light bulbs in pairs just to make sure I get the same amount of hours on each light bulb. I think this pack, I forget how much it was. I got it from Amazon, but it was somewhere between 10 and 20 bucks. I'll put a link in the description. Let's go ahead and do the other light. This is the same process as the passenger side light. I'm just going to come under, I'm going to release, and pull down, unlock it, and pull it out. Now we know this is a good bulb, so we want to set it up out of the way. We'll put this bulb in. Same thing. We're locked into place now. Connected, and test the light. And it's working. So that's how you replace the headlights in your 2006 Honda Odyssey. Do take caution to protect the bulb from oils on your hands. Make sure you're wearing gloves and you're not setting the bulb down on anything that's dirty. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please leave them below. And until next time, be good to each other. Remember, hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Goodbye.